Hello, and today I wanna talk about something we often forget. What is that? Small steps, big progress. Sometimes we want instant result, alright? We want to be smart, we want to be skilled or successful right way, but when things don't happen as fast as we hope, we feel frustrated, or even I or even wanna give up. I felt that way too sometimes. It feels like my effort doesn't matter. But today, but tonight, let's remember together, great things never fall from the sky by accident. They always start with something very small. Okay. What exactly is a small step? It's nothing fancy or impressive. It is waking up just 5 minutes earlier than usual, like uh, like I wake up. I wake up at 5 minutes, and uh, I do small step. Yeah, I waking up just 5 minutes earlier, like for at 4:55, and then tomorrow I waking up earlier 5 minutes again, so 4:50, like that. So the next step, reading one page of a book every day. One page, just one page, guys. So if you wanna what is that, if you wanna just do it, the small step. I just like that. You uh, you reading one page of a book every day, just one page, like this. uh like this. I just reading one page of a book. I just reading this, the book of grammar book, just one page every day. When we reading the book for 1 month, so there are 31 page. So until this, so 1 month we have read 30 page. 30 page is just small step but big progress. So another example, practicing one difficult English word until you remember it. Like, what is that? Difficult English. I don't know what the difficult English. Wait. Let me what is that? Looking for it. Wait. Likes, it is word. It is word. So you just practicing. So if you talk with your friend, with your friend, you must use your your one difficult English with your opinion in your what is that, when you talk with your friend. So it is small step but the big progress. So another example, just finishing your work on time instead of putting it off. Like I have I have a duty for a new concept, and then I when the new concepts class finish, I directly do it. Cause you what? Busy first, and after that holiday. Not holiday first, but busy for later. Just like that. So another example again. I will give you the last example. Saying sorry when you're wrong, and trying not to repeat the mistake. When you what is that? When you suddenly say something but he hurts, he or she hurts, you must be say sorry. Just saying sorry. I'm so sorry. For example, I will give you the example. Hey, are you crazy? Why are you say like that? I'm so hurt. When the I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I just kidding for that. Just say sorry, man. Cause yeah, sorry is small step but a big progress. So they sound too simple, right? Like they make no difference at all. But think of it like planting a seed. You can see it growing every second, but under the soil, it's working hard to grow strong roots. Okay. Things of water dripping on a rock. One drop, 10 drops, 1,000 drops. The rocks looks exactly the same, but after month and year, that hard rock will slowly wear away just from tiny drops of water. Yeah. Think about how we learn to talk, to walk. When we were babies, we fell over and over again. Yeah, what is that? When we learn, when we learn to walk, we always fell over and over again. We didn't run on our first try. And for example, you are a baby. When you were babies, you suddenly can run. Nothing like that. We started by sitting, then crawling, then holding on to stand, then talking one shaky step. If we stop it every time we fell, none of us would be walking today. So small what is that? Small step but big progress. Or Think of someone who plays the guitar, guitar beautifully. They didn't start playing perfect songs. They spent weeks just pressing one string until their finger hurt. That is made of small steps. Like me, uh, when I study English, when I study English until now, I can speak English like you hear, you hear, you hear, and the first step, I go to here. I cannot directly can speak English, uh, speak English like now, but I must what is that, step by step, small step, and now I can speak English, and my friends or or the people can speak English, can understand what I say. So many times we think, I have tried so hard but nothing changed. That is completely normal. Progress is not always visible every single day. It's like baking bread. You can't pull it out every minute to check if it's done. You have to let the prog the process happen. Don't compare your journey to anyone else. Some flowers bloom in spring, some bloom in the rainy season. There is nothing wrong with you. You just have your own time to grow. You just need the time. You can use your own time to grow. And remember, never stop. Even one small step forward is better than standing still. Moving slowly is still moving ahead. So never stop to step by step, ya. Honestly, you must consistencies. You must have consistencies for this, because if you do something, what is that? If you do it, if you do like wake up earlier, 30 minutes, but not small step. 30 minutes earlier than you wake up usually. I think just once or twice you can like that, and after that you cannot do again. And just do it, small step but big progress. You can start a step by step, step by step until big. You know what I mean? Okay. So, what can we do starting right now? Set small, realistic goals, not impossible ones. Instead of saying, I will study 10 hours a day, say, I will study 30 minutes every day. Or I will study today. I will study today. No. I will study 12 12 12 12 hours a day. But say, I will study 10 minutes every day. Small step but big progress. Because if you suddenly study for 12 minutes, I think for tomorrow, I'm so lazy. 12 minutes, 12 hours again. I must study. I'm so lazy for that. You must do it step by step. If you do it 30 minutes, 30 minutes is okay. 30 minutes, 30 minutes, 30 minutes, 30 minutes, 30 minutes, and then you feel you will feel it's not enough. I will add it 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour, and then you will feel it's not enough for study for every day. You add again 1 hour 30 minutes, 1 hour 30 minutes, 1 hour 30 minutes, step by step, but big progress. Celebrate your little wins. Did you arrive on time? Good job. That is progress. And don't be afraid making mistakes. Mistakes are just another step forward. You know, the mistakes one of step. You know, don't be afraid making mistake ya, cause ya, if you make a mistake, you just learn about that. Oh, I missed that. I'm wrong from that. From that. From that. I must do it like that. So I must be better. I must be better. I must be better. Just like that. Just say like that in yourself. Be consistent more than you wait for motivation. Motivation fades fast, but showing up day will get there. Like the people give you what is that? The people give you motivation. Like you must be spirit. You must be smart. You must be spirit. Change together. You must start. I believe you can. I believe you can. But if you just motivation, just push yourself. It just push yourself to do it. But if you do it, you must be consistent. Cause yawa, cause with consistent. The example. The first we do it. The first we do it. After that, we never do it again. So just stop for this. There is no, what is that? There is no result. There is no result. Just you just do it. It's not, man. It's not suitable. If you just do it one or twice or three. Okay, continue. Friends and to myself too. Maybe we are not where we want to be yet, but look back. Haven't you come so far from where you started? Every little thing you do, no matter how teeny, will never go to waste. One day, you will look back and see all those small steps added up to something big and wonderful. Like, what is that? You see in your back, you see your every day you do it. You started from zero, but you do it step by step, small step. Every day you do it, and after that, in the middle way, you see the back. You see, what is that? You look back and see all those small steps add up to something big and wonderful. So let's keep going. Take it slow. No need to rush, because small step done with heart and passion will always lead to big progress. Okay. Okay, saya yeah, just do it, cause yeah, the something just small. What is that? Small step. Small step. If you do it every day, and then after that you look the back, wow, that is my progress. It's so big, man. It's not small, cause you small step, you do it the small step again, small step, but until big. And you can you will say in yourself, wow, that's my step. So do it every day, but must be consistent. Yeah, like that. You must be consistent. Okay. Why we why why we skip small step? Most of the time we don't small step because they feel boring. We think this is too easy, this won't help me. We want to skip the hard, slow parts, want the end result right now. But imagine building a house. Can you build a roof without walls? Can you build walls without a foundation? No, every single bridge seems tiny, but you need every single one to hold the whole house up. Small steps are those bricks. They don't look impressive alone, but together they build something strong. Something we also feel lazy. We say, just one day won't hurt, but skipping one day makes it easier to skip the next. You say, I just one day. Later, I will do it tomorrow. I will do it tomorrow. After that, tomorrow is so easier to next again. Tomorrow again, tomorrow. Then 1 week, then 1 month. Small step. Work the other way too. One myth step leads to many missed chances. So do not underestimate how powerful one simple choice can be. More simple example. Let me more things around us. A river does not rush in one day to reach the sea. It flows a little bit every single second for thousands of kilometers. A big tree was just a tiny seeds smaller than your nail. It drank a little water, took a sunlight every day for years. Learning a new language is the same. You don't speak fluently in 1 week. You learn one word, then one sentence, then one conversation. That is how it works. Even the best athletes in the world, they run one lap, practice one move, repeat it. They run one lap, practice one move, repeat it again, hundreds of times. No one wakes up one day and becomes a champion. Champions are made of thousands of small steps no one sees. So do anything step by step, not just once. Yeah, guess what? I like that. What to do when you feel discouraged? When you feel like stopping, try this. First, take a deep breath. You don't have to do everything today. You only need to do one small thing. Second, write down what you have already done. You will be surprised how much you have actually grown. We often only see what we haven't done and forget what we have. The third, be kind to yourself. If your friend tried their best but fell behind, would you yell at them? No. You would encourage them. Talk to yourself like you talk to your best friend. Progress is not about being perfect. It is about being better than you were yesterday. Even just a little better. Okay. And then keep your step easy. Make your small step so simple you cannot say no. Don't say I will study for 2 hours. Say I will open my book and read one paragraph. Just a small step, right? Small step. Small step. Don't once you start, you will likely keep going. Don't say I will fix everything wrong today. Say I will fix one habit first. Small step, remove the pressure. You don't need super strength. You just need to show up again and again. And slowly, you will notice things that felt hard before now feel easy. That is your big progress showing up quickly. Okay, when we back why we skip small tips. Okay, progress is invisible at first. Here is the hardest truth about small steps. Okay, wait. Let me change my position. Right, it's not. What is that? I'm so tired for that. Okay, continue. Here the hardest part about small steps, but most of the time you cannot see them working. When you exercise for the first week, your body does not look different. When you practice a new skill for 2 weeks, you still make mistake. When you try to fix a bad habit for a 1 month, you might still slip sometimes. It feel like nothing is changing, but think of ice melting. Uh, what is that? In the sun for a long time, it stays solid. Then suddenly, it start turn into water. All your small steps are like that. They are building up power, waiting for the right moment to show. Never judge your effort by what you can see today. Like I just do like the it's not better, right? It's so bad. No. Don't be like that. Just motivation yourself, cause yourself can do it. Just small steps until big. You can say, wow. You will say, wow. I think just small step. The people just do above from me. Wow, but now I can do it. I can do. Okay. Small steps are only about doing things right. Falling down is small step. Admitting you do not know something is a small step. Trying again after you fail is one of the bravest small steps you can take. People think progress means never making mistakes, but actually, mistakes are just lesson. Is this quiz? Every wrong turn teaches you which way to go next. That is also progress. Sometimes we feel like our hard work is for nothing. But imagine your future self. 1 month, 1 year, 5 years from now. That version of you will be so happy that you choose to take small steps today. Today you what is that? You choose small step, and then after 5 years you do it, always do it small step. You will, wow, you will say, you will surprise about that. They will be glad you did not give up when it was hard. They will see actually how every teeny twist led them here. Just do it, everything. You are doing this for them and yourself right now. You are worth every bit of effort. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. Let's keep moving forward one step at a time. See you soon. See you when I see you. I'm Yahya. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.